Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the secret email system. This is a product that promises to help you build an email list and generate income from it. What is Secret Email System? The Secret Email System is an ebook and training program created by Matt Bakak. The system teaches you how to build an email list and use it to promote products and services. The 3 steps to success. The Secret Email System is based on 3 simple steps. Build a list. Mail the list, get paid. The benefits of Secret Email System. The Secret Email System promises a number of benefits, including the ability to generate income with as little as 30 minutes of work per day, the ability to build a sustainable and long-term business, the ability to reach a wide audience with your marketing messages. The drawbacks of Secret Email System. The Secret Email System also has some drawbacks, including the price can be high for some people. The system is not a magic bullet, and you will still need to put in some work to be successful. The system is not for everyone, and it may not be suitable for your specific needs. My thoughts overall, I think the Secret Email System is a valuable product that can help you build an email list and generate income from it. However, it's important to do your research and make sure that it's the right fit for you before you buy it. If you're interested in learning more about the Secret Email System, I encourage you to check out the website. You can also read my full review here. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tutorials. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.